how to join Grow a Garden's Discord server. Here's what you want to do. Open up Roblox, the Roblox website, and just find Grow a Garden here. Click on Grow a Garden, and if you scroll down, you will see social links. You can follow them on Twitter, YouTube, and you will see a Discord link. Click on Grow a Garden here, and it's going to take you to the official Discord server. Just simply click on accept invite, but we need to verify that we are indeed human. So I'll just drag this over like so and verify, and it's gonna accept the invite here. So it's gonna open up the Discord app. All right, so once you have done this, here you will see welcome to Grow a Garden. Let's customize your experience. Which might be interested. I'm gonna skip. Then you have to scroll all the way down and click on finish after you have read the rules, and here you will be able to see the Grow a Garden server. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.